What's up, guys? Luxside here again on the Clear Cryptos YouTube channel. I want to talk to you about some of the action that we've been seeing in Shiba Inu lately and why I think it's important that we do note what's going on. Now, before we go ahead and get into it, if you are new to the channel or haven't already, please go ahead, drop that subscribe, hit the little button down there, hit the little bell. Again, you'll get notified anytime we have content that goes live. And there's tons of content for you guys. We have, shorts and videos and live streams and endless amounts of content. There's so much information for you there. It's insane. But let's go ahead and talk about what's going on with Shiba Inu right now. Now, obviously, the market has been kind of on the fritz, the last couple of days, ever since we got the CPI data back. And what has been kind of a recurring theme is when there are these dips, there are certain entities that are taking advantage of these situations. So, for example, this article talks about one whale wallet that actually purchased 160 billion Shiba Inu in 24 hours. That equates to about $2 million. Now, even on, so you see some of it on the channel here. I talk about it on my channel a lot too, about these big buys that are happening. So this is actually even kind of small in comparison. I know there's been ones where people, acquired 500 billion SHIB. I know I've done a couple where they've done, over 1 trillion SHIB and then tens of trillions of SHIB. So lots and lots of accumulation. Now, why I think this is important to note is because there are a lot of people that try to time the market. Okay. And what is happening is when you give up your position at a higher price, okay, or at a price, and a whale swoops in and accumulates your position, it's now harder and more expensive to, accumulate your spot back, okay? Now, obviously, this is not financial advice, okay? Obviously, we're never here at the Clear Cryptos channel going to tell you what to do with your money, but you need to be aware, okay? Big money is typically smart money, okay? These guys didn't get big dollars, tens to hundreds of millions of dollars by being dumb. Okay. They know what they're doing. They know how to time the market properly. And when they see panic in the market, that's when they can take advantage and, make their position larger. And that's what we've seen time and time then them again doing. Like this, for example, we just saw what just happened in the last 24 hours. Now, what is important to note is that, Shiba Inu, for example, is a very strong coin in the ecosystem. There's in the crypto ecosystem, there's tons and tons of stuff that's going to be coming for Shiba Inu, and the holders are showing their confidence right now. Actually, in the top 2,000 Ethereum wallets, whales are holding about $159 million worth of Shiba Inu. That's a lot of Shiba Inu, okay? And this may not even talk about, that which is held in, like exchanges and stuff like that. This is just Ethereum wallets that are on chain and trackable. Okay. So again, just be aware of what kind of things are happening. Now, if you believe in the longevity of a project and long-term price performance, is it really going to make that much of a difference whether for example, Shiba Inu, if you get out at 4013 and then try to get back in at point, or 4012? Not really. That's just, again, trying to play games. And unfortunately, if you try to play games, especially when it comes to finances, you'll probably get wrecked. Now, again, as always, this is not financial advice. Again, this is just, kind of my suggestion. And obviously, we have all the data right in front of us. We can see what's happening. Luckily there are bots that actually track this kind of thing that happens. So for example, at Whale Stats, you can follow on Twitter and they'll give you updates as to what's going on, with different coins and stuff. But yeah, just be aware of what's going on. As always, do your own diligence, do your own research. Yeah, that's all I really got for you in this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you haven't already, or if you are new to the channel, Clear Cryptos has tons and tons and tons of content coming your way. So make sure you go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, that way you'll get notified any of that time that stuff is alive and ready for you guys to view. So hopefully you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and appreciate you guys taking the time again to watch. And I really hope to see you in the next one.